other leaders amangana inaba ikerete. Lakini I seized the moment. Esoko ya borokania. Wikabeire amangana ye community conversation. Yanyalika netwachira morero tukwane bulumu Gusii. Barenga baigwete buyako bamu munegesaku. Buyamono. Ndaraji kogenda to the main subject. Si tubwenete kukwana igalero tuyo kwane si chigurupu kogenda to spend all our time kuigosa mangana iyo naende tukaiwana. Inumweka mukanga machiko. Mugante asengi jutugu jikobamo munegesaku. Tukwana alia itago tubwenera. Rangiria barai bande bache tobamo. Tiri lasima tuiwana samangana tugukwana. Lakini nerebuya, even in our gaps and differences, tutukamu mnawa nabamu. We agree to disagree agreeably on matters of positive concern. Muna tomenyete, tomanya nebuye situarure, situaikire, ne situbuenerete gocha. Part of it, nero yagera nabarangeri gochege tieke, esumuga non tamanye tibuya, igongo tebunge kenege tikyo Gusii kiarenge. Okay, I found it interesting. Abantu bari koroka basigisi ngo jikobwati, nyora abwatu borusu bwa manyinga yo Gusii. Kyagero bukabara bu Gusii munabore, awale mumbole okonyoro tigire mbusule kenyoro. Ekererebo ngo jikobwati anyora ngamura ndoje tukona kwiruka bantegesa kwegeke garie kumbe kare twa komerete tutamanya imi naende tumanya ngago turabange kiasi ya uwezo okolegas pamoja nebisa kubinde egere tubwenere a step forward. Mugante ibona abantu urarangira yosako banyora abandi obarabagaka begesa kugyeito batebinga ntuli tayari ukwanera muna abana bamo asamangana ratu bwenere kingagijire bosyo nayi nabwene karo twarambali limagega twanjire store nesitogo chesa bali manyaka babuya ngakwanera abantu kada lakini asenge njuichi sababu chire understandable abande mbalia abande mabwene dako baga kerongo kwana boigo. I am the national treasurer of the largest democratic party in the Republic of Kenya. Ninchende lakini munanteri inebushia. I recognize we are discussing and handling matters community where I belong by right. Amangane party agoja second. Bagusii kobrati saite se bagoja, including a party and other things. I go there first. Namanya kogende sebinto binde second. Nei bago kwana mbiri bube utatika bago serwa kapula kusaliwa. Ya bantu mbali bago serwa. Bramu manya tekero go serore ndagire gukuba. So whatever it is, mtobwe kaini in understanding issues, matters, leadership, society, and development. Igomuna mura, I am not sponsored by anybody. Na and proudly, musaja tayo ko sumukungura sponsor. Kerotwa kwana se chigurupu chinke. Otwale recognize definite things we want to do in the community. First, to recognize our potential. Tunabantaba ngai. Tunabantaba lemu. Tunabantule industrious. Tunabantule outgoing. Tunabantule daredevil. And tule tayari kogenda busyo. Lakini amatuka mange tule individual. Toko genda tuata na onyini nya situa menya kuchimuyu. Lakini ngakiri buya tuare koba amu. Biritua buire individually. Together we can earn probably 4, 5, 10 times. Tobe more secure. Tobe more forceful. Ni leveraging on unity. Egere tuya gache munegi saku. Matuka etiri bintu bia ichiri kwa lego soka kuru nyumba kwa genda kwa nyora makairu. Kwa nyora majali furio konyu. Kwa nyora litunda kwa tabora. Lero to gutabora litunda na numu gondu bwendu yawe ga wake nu. Because bintu bia bolire. Kenya ngima every communities are working to reality nga we katwe bange na litora compete for limited resources. Tukaiwana nga na intumunege saku tuli gutigara nyuma. In every sector, every education, every leadership, every what mugusi noari. Kiare kunyare kana tomege ntekemo na liturabe more successful than we have been individually. Kero tuare koko na isi ya manganaya tugateba tigatu ya kwanira mu munege sak and tuligichinge choko bege ntekemo successfully. Akikyabale tira. Na nonye siase watorwa teli number 1 oburusu bwo koba mu munege sak siasa is inevitable chisa jale ngwe kachire nonye no dio koligia na tageta sare properly united support yego chaboronge na yara spring boronge going forward anyole recognition across the country as originate from an organized setup. Part of it, this is the plan. Umugusiye njirare rende utaraji gukora bintu binde tabiri buye kwemanyaye nimu. You can make decisions accordingly. Munabona timanye timuga no buya abonye wete ngana buturu wete kusekuru Namibia tugasoro sana ruwa Kongo munaro tikolgina manganande iwete no neli timo basimekire nane bali bekire lero iga no burai tutagete kolgi Masai moina twarura abali Nairobi Kajiado abali Taita to isaini Mombasa kero na leo kwa mirimo ya serikali ngujuika poda point number 1 alike ngutambo kujidao liba nyobi onyore ni clive ichange ko manufactured on a large scale yacha kusumbua abantu Nairobi na bakusiba korosi kurwabu to move to continental diaspora African ngima bande bakale ko somege Chinese lero mwana bwanyone kara ko ngati Australia ruwete kurwabu to agende Russia bali Europe ngima utogale ko in excess of 100,000 today. Twakolire Canada omwana oyo mukuru bogetu twalia bogwendo nabe meya ya Ontario. Sit Ontario in Canada. Abagusi in Canada they are close to 100,000. America nyene North Carolina they are approaching 20. More than that. Murai, and they are in excess of 400,000. Washington DC, they're about 10,000. Georgia nabo, Kansas nabo, Mwaro Jumwano itekeraku tara kuna kusumu kuya igwete buya. Bone kerere bo we are into the world. Na kiyare kunyare kana. As a way of rethinking, we connect ourselves by first connecting ourselves locally. Then the local diaspora, then the global diaspora. Tell them to Tokole village on this courage, on this adventure, on this progress and development. Eger to breathe, nege saku. Including in fucking networks, the private in the dark. One to my Tumano Yabi no Musi, Uyugan, Umunda Mete, Yaga Novako Biasara. Talk what the network you we will be as powerful as the Jews are. Umuchu abi arurero nyaiga iga kericho everywhere bamanyeti na umuchu no padrek omentri. Because we are careless, we didn't mind to manya inibuya. The moment has come to connect effectively. Tuliege sakwege kemuna tukuru. Nani minjule to tari kumarana tuwesi muna tule. Ono tuwai Kristu kumarane kiagara numbers determine resource allocation. Kero tuwa soide raini we are deliberate now. Tigatu chabanta bangaini na babuate biegu mbali mbali we reset our machinery munege sak. Egere binte to buate muna desires. Which naturally and we succeed accordingly. That brings us here. Oh no. Igisungu kilimwa kwani in various groups. Tigambarete to the forum, umubiaro yomoino. Organize in such a way. Mbolia bande ba mindunga mbwate shigente kinko bakereke nene. Tukibange in an orderly way we communicate and enable our community to have a discussion. Umintunya chagacha. At one point, kere wete kanu mumurande tigantiri mbukenta yeto kora magana munaya. Agacha kurwa mare igurunga wa. Akagwe ground. Akakora ya njira korete bintu bigana murabi agenda akagenda. Ekeragenda we were left like that. While we appreciated him, we were left like that. No structures, no programs. This moment again, Usike Matiang'I sokeri kurwa, usike Maraga sokeri muina, usike Muraro sokeri muina, obako soka kurwa magachi. Lakini ground, okere neither here nor there. We already had a tradition to live properly in terms of leadership, well structured, and set to handle some of these matters. It took a community to get the leadership structure. Karabago soka, who are Mirama Tenga by Shababa to Bono, Yabari Bachili, Yabako is a quickie. Like in the Mwenzi, Timu Salumungan. To buy invited into the community leadership, to buy Sandrigi Chuch, to buy Indagira, to buy Mamuna Manganari. One eye, now you kill for the moment. Again to win a Munegasaku, I am in gas. Now you got a Rikere. Now you got to Mukira Kumunari. One go to Koganda, you go to Kubuenera. Lakini bono yongonye nditu wabu atari bagali ukurangiringa ya anchwa murangiri tubwato muntu rarangiri muntu because we are not organized, we are not structured, we are not prepared to handle such matters. Twali kwibanga bono twi structure burungi kende giyesu geko banga tetu kumurangiringa ya anchwa uswati uliayo nyine nyaruka anchwa. We set our matters bisakubindi bikutusika. Nabere siasa inde nabagere 24 years today. Bagere bali mu bachaya bali internally well organized. Bakura manali ngana nene lakini barangele ni morogoba mambi tukuibu. Sabantu bali productive in mind amangana na bakoba. Lakini babwate system. Abagikuyu even when they are fighting. Bambanye temuna bagote baye talero robere. Aye talaki. Lakini sika bagu sunura na matu. Lakini ngombera mabera nyumba guche. Okwenda bameru nelingana lya beire. Churi nchekaraka. Tuligo etani mucho. Nabasikisi nabo. Akikunyalekana turabayi abangaini. Lakini tuli individuals na tuesiarete n'abantu totally serious. So that's why when this idea came to me, because I've been having it for a long time in my mind, I seized the moment. ai kobre de munga nchumum bwate sichisemi mu bwate tokora manganaya bona kana baire biche ya bande mutale in the discussion. The community is in a discussion, in a conversation, to rethink themselves, to set the ground, and to manage the future more productively and more meaningfully, in a view to positioning ourselves to compete with other communities, to place ourselves accordingly, even at the national level, even if we were to occupy any position, to occupy that position by right, but in a more organized way, to kuligiraninga, yes. On what we have been doing. Now, I did not know, you faithfully came in. Give them a clap. Every sector of Gusii, we fully committed. On this year, I humbly thank you. We shared well, and we are here because of that. So I thank you for listening to me. This is it. Today we are here with the knowledge of Gusii. We move forward together, isn't it? Having said all that, understand in a structured manner. Nambi tukitwali the koenda. Na ndio resolve hiyo. Ontale kuragili kwa kini. Atoile through our collective understanding. Again, tole usipita batulinga na kitoko. Kineke. Yakane. See the more leaders from every sector today. Through our formula I will give you, we set into a community leadership deliberately. Then you set a forum to discuss issues our community. Will you tayari for that? Make your leadership structure yame.